Hey, what is up, guys? This is 3G Dimps. I just got another package out of the mail today, right when I got off of work, and kind of excited for this, honestly. Really am. I'm always excited to fix up my car. I do have some Canards. My hands are full, so hold up. So this is what I got out of the bag. I got 4 Canards, 3M tape, some self-tapping screws right there, as you can see. These are the tools you need to install the Canards. I got a power drill, the drill bit, and I got a Phillips screwdriver. I got my own self-tapping screws at Lowe's or Home Depot, and I got my own tape. I don't use the 3M tape unless it's like my duck bill, but I don't use that. I'm not a big fan of that. These screws right here they gave me, I do not recommend, and I will not use those. I know I've been telling y'all to use this tape right here. This shit out of here. Use this one right here. Clear one, cheap one, better. So as you can see, I did mount up the Canards. So on the passenger side, I do have the big one on the bottom and the little one on top. Now on the driver's side, I do have the big one on top and the little one on the bottom. So these are just 2 different ways that you can set up the Canards, but in my opinion, in my decision, I am going to install them like the passenger side. So let me know down below in the comments which one you do prefer. So here we have all 4 Canards right here. I drilled 2 holes on the small one already. You can't see. 1, 2, and then I still have 2 little marks right there. And then on the bigger one you have 6 marks. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how to drill those. So I don't know if y'all can see the holes. I measured everything and I got these hanging because I needed to measure on this side and the other side. But let's go ahead and jump right into it and install those Canards. So before I end this video, I wanted to show y'all that, I mean, they're fully on. They're not going anywhere. I can bolt it. The more bolts I have, the more secure it's gonna be. The 3M tape, I left it out because I really don't need to use it and don't want to use it because I'm not a big fan of that. But I like these self-tapping screws. It bolts right in, pretty firm. But I am gonna put some more. Every car is different. Like right here, I know, like this line for the 3G Eclipses on this bumper, see how it has that space in there? I can't really put another screw right there, so I'm gonna end up putting one right there and then one and one right there on the bottom. This is the final result and how it looks. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And this is 3G_DIMPS, and see you next time.